Okay, today I'm going to explain you how do you use will. It's a future simple. We use this English tense to talk about predictions, guesses, promises. For example, I write, I will live in USA in 10 years. We're going to check the affirmative structure and the negative structure. First, you need to know that in both sentences we have to start with the subject plus your auxiliary will and the verb in infinitive. In simple form, negative is the same. Subject, but the difference is that you change it with auxiliary want in negative, will positive, want negative, and the verb in infinitive or in simple form. Okay. Now, will doesn't have a real meaning or translation. This is an auxiliary. This word helps the verb, the main verb, to change into future form. Okay, and want the same. Want doesn't have an exact meaning. We use it to change the verb in infinitive to future. Now, I wrote 3 different examples in each case. For example, the first one, it says, I will go to the cinema. I, the subject, plus the auxiliary will, plus the verb go and your complement to the cinema. Number 2, she will study French. She, your subject, will, your auxiliary, and study, your verb, French, your complement. Now pay attention. In this case, we use I, she, or we. Hopefully for you and luckily for you. Will we use for all the subjects and the same way. We can use with I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and the verb, it's an infinitive. In this tense, in this English tense, it doesn't exist first or third person. Okay, so you need to use the verb in infinitive with third person she, first person I, or we. And the last example we have, we will go to the swim. Okay, we, your subject, will, your auxiliary, go, your verb, to swim, your complement. Okay, now at the right part we have the same sentences but in negative form. Now, as you can see, the only difference between both sentences is the auxiliary. In the first ones we have will, in the second one we have want, but it's the same structure. I will go to the cinema, I won't go to the cinema. She will study French, she won't study French. And we will go to swim, we won't go to swim. Okay, so now let's look at these examples. We have positive sentences on the left and negative sentences on the right. The idea is, on your notebook, you should try to complete them in the right way. For example, we have drink, the verb, they, the subject, and soda. Number 2, tomorrow, buy, I, a car. The next one, we have play, football, him. And in negative sentences, write, not a book, you, travel, USA, not she, and music, we, not listen. Now pay attention. What are you gonna do? You need to sort the words in order, and you should try to make them in those sentences, in positive sentences and negative sentences. Okay. Okay, we're going to check what will be the right answers. We have they will drink soda. We have they, your subject, will, your auxiliary, drink, your verb, and soda, your complement. The next one, I will buy a car tomorrow. I, your subject, will, your auxiliary, buy, your verb, a car, the noun, and tomorrow, the time expression. And the last one, play football. He will play football. He, your subject, will, your auxiliary, play, your verb, and football, your noun. Now, on the other hand, on negative sentences, we have you won't write a book. You, your subject, won't, your auxiliary, write, your verb, a book, your noun. She won't travel to USA. She, subject, won't, your auxiliary, travel, your verb, and to USA, it's the complement. And the last one, music, we not listen. We won't listen to music. We plus won't plus listened to music. Okay, so now moreover about it, in this English tense we have different time expressions. What are they? They can help you to support your idea in future. Remember that this tense it's about future, so we have different expressions like tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, or soon, or the combination between next hour, next week, next day, next month, next year. Okay? In addition, in your book, you can find these verbs. I'm going to tell you how to pronounce them, and then at your home, you should try to repeat them in order to practice the correct pronunciation. For example, if I say to you, the first one, perform, perform, study, study, play, play, learn, learn, be, invite, invite, travel, travel, begin, begin, need, need, want, want, find, find, start, start, attend, attend, change, change, contact, contact, interview, interview, see, see, enjoy, enjoy, earn, earn, save, save, sell, sell, offer, offer, wear, wear, wait, wait, believe, believe, buy, buy, manage, manage, and fly, and fly. So now, the last part. On your notebook, here we have 6 examples, 6 sentences in this order. Now, on your notebook, you should try to write them in the right way. You have to focus what is the first part of the sentence. Your subject plus your auxiliary plus your verb and the rest. Okay? So please, when you finished to write them and solve them, you have to take them some photos and then you have to send them to a teacher. Thank you, and that's all.